Welcome to Chess News Andaman. We are at the Andaman Nicobar State Chess Championship 2024. We have got with us some 8 very talented and upcoming players. Um, let's begin with the introduction. Okay. Okay. We have got with us Vyom Malhotra, Vyom Tiwari, right? Sorry, Vyom Tiwari. He was the under 9 champion last year. Okay, so Vyom, how long you have been playing chess?
Almost 1.5 years.
Okay, so tell us something more about yourself. Where do you study and how did you start to play chess?
I'm studying in class 4th B. Na-
In which
I
school?
st- in NCS Navy Children's School.
Okay,
I started chess when I even don't know what is piece's name. Like I say rook, elephant, knight, horse, and king, queen. I says and soldier to pawn. Then Tamaya sir taught me that these pieces name and how to move all pieces, and then he taught me many openings like Italian, London system, and many other openings. And then I played many tournaments, and then my first award I got in under 9 chess championship, where I got first position, and then I got in open chess tournament in ITI.
so
Where I
in this state currently running the state in the current state championship. So how many points you have scored till now?
till now I have scored 6.
Okay, so what do you like about chess?
Uh, I like many openings, strong openings like London system, Queen's Gambit, and King's Indian.
No, I
Defense.
am asking what do you like about chess? Means okay, not about the openings. Means why do you like chess? Why do you play chess?
Because it makes our brain strong
Okay,
and also make our memory strong.
okay. So how many hours you are practicing at home?
2 hours.
2 hours daily.
Yes.
Who is your current coach?
Tamaya sir.
Kamaya sir. Okay, thank you, Vyom. All the best for the remaining rounds and
Thank
the
you,
future
sir.
tournaments. Sorry. Okay, we have with us D Charvi. She is the under 7 state champion from 2023. So Charvi, hello, hi.
I
Okay, so अभी कितने पॉइंट्स आपने स्कोर किए इस टूर्नामेंट में? कितने?
5.
5 पॉइंट्स. ओके ओके. सो अभी नेशनल किसी नेशनल टूर्नामेंट में आप जा रहे हो खेलने?
अभी तो नहीं,
हाँ.
पहले की थी.
ओके, तो अभी आप किसके पास सीख रहे हो?
सुधा मैम.
सुधा मैम के पास. ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट. ओके चार्वी, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर नेक्स्ट राउंड. Okay, next we have with us Shriya Raj. She is an upcoming talent in chess in Andaman. Hi Shriya.
Hi sir.
Okay, so how's the tournament going on for you?
Fine, nice.
So,
Nice.
okay, okay. How many points you have scored?
I scored 5 points out of 8.
Okay, so what are the tournaments you have played till now? Means apart from the tournaments in Port Blair, have you played any outside?
Yes, and Odisha I played.
Sorry,
Odisha.
Odisha. Which year?
2022.
2022. After that, you haven't played any tournaments abroad?
Not national.
No nationals. Okay. Any other tournament?
Andaman FIDE rating tournament.
Okay, Andaman FIDE rating tournament. So have you got the FIDE rating?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. All the best, Shriya.
Thank you, sir.
Your good name?
Roshan.
Okay. So how many points you have scored in this tournament?
5 points out of 8 rounds.
Okay. Have you got rating? Any rating?
Not great.
No. So which round was the best round in this tournament for you?
Almost.
All. Who was the toughest opponent? You don't remember? Okay. No issues. Okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Okay. Your good name? Your good name?
Jay Kirtana.
Okay. Your good name?
Jay Kirtana.
Okay. Kirtana, how many points you have scored?
I scored 6 points out of 8 rounds
Okay. So how long you have been playing chess?
from past 2-3 years.
Okay. So who was the toughest opponent in this tournament till now?
Jay Yadav Rao.
Jay Yadav Rao. Did you win against her?
No, I lost.
You lost.
Yes.
Okay. Which was the best game you played
Last match with S. Karan.
in this tournament? Okay. Okay. And have you opened your rating?
Not yet.
So apart from chess, what do you do? Means do you professionally play chess or what?
At side by side.
Okay. In which class?
I'm in 9.
Okay. Okay. All the best, Kirtana.
Thank you.
Okay, we have got Kavya Raj. She is the leading female player in the second position in this tournament. Okay, hi Kavya.
Hi.
Okay, tell us something about this tournament. How is the tournament going on, and what are the upcoming tournaments you are going to play?
It is very challenging and it's very tough to. it's very it's very challenging and tough to play. And I'm going to play August FIDE National Tournament upcoming.
Okay, so how many hours do you work on the improvement of your chess?
Every day 2 hours.
Every day 2 hours. Are you training with somebody right
No,
now?
no.
You are practicing self.
Earlier I was training with Sudha ma'am.
Sorry.
Earlier I was training with Sudha ma'am.
Okay, okay. So you are training by self.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So till now, how many tournaments have you played overall?
National or
Including national,
more than 30.
more than 30. What is the current rating?
1440.
Okay. All the best, Kavya.
Thank you.
So we have got one fine female player, Chitti Boina Maheshwari, right?
Yes.
Yes. So Chitti Boina, tell us something about this tournament.
It's tournament going very good, and I like this tournament. I scored the 5.5 points in 8 rounds.
Okay. So have you got rating?
No,
You haven't got rating?
no.
Okay, okay. So, which was the best game of this tournament which you have played?
It's the 4th round. SM Dinesh Kumar with
SM Bench.
Sir. So tough the game.
It was tough. Did
Yeah.
you win?
Yeah,
Okay, it was tough, but you won the match.
yeah.
Very good. Okay, okay. All the best, Siti.
Thank you. Hello.
Okay. So we have got Ronnie Ronaldo. So, Ronnie,
Yes.
are you inspired by footballer Ronaldo? How did your parents your parents thought
Yeah,
the name? Is
Yeah.
it so?
yeah.
Right? Okay, okay. So, Ronnie, how many points have you got in this tournament?
So till now I have scored 6.5 at the tournament.
Okay. And have you opened your rating?
Yeah,
How much?
1467.
1467.
67.
So, apart from playing in Andaman Nicobar Islands, have you played any tournaments outside?
Yeah, latest at before 1 month I have got to Andhra Bhimavaram, first international Bhimavaram tournament.
Okay, okay. So, how many points did you score there?
At there I scored 6 out of 10.
6 out of 9.
10.
6 out of 10. And you opened your rating after that tournament.
Yeah.
So, how was the tournament like compared to tournaments in Port Blair?
Yeah, it was very tough. Like the best players of Andaman were like so many.
Okay, okay. So, Ronnie, thank you so much, and all the best for rest of the games. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we have got Shri B. Kodandarao, who is national instructor and also senior arbiter. Sir, welcome to Chess News Andaman.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. We saw like you have been very proactive in this tournament as usual, like other tournaments. So tell us something more about this tournament and the players who are rising in these islands.
Yeah. Now this tournament is going very well, sir. I think most of the players are playing very well. In the senior section, top 5 boards are very tough, and also some up to 50 boards are
Sir, जल्दी बोलो.
up to 50 boards are playing like professional, and some kids are playing very well. I think those need very more practice, and I think they will be more better. I think after 2 3 years, I'm sure Andaman will be next superpower in chess in few years.
Okay, thank you so much, Kodanda sir. The final round is about to start. We have to go. See you next time, sir, and stay tuned for more updates.
Yeah, thank you. And